Corruption in Judiciary. Class 8th has a chapter in the NCERT on which the Supreme Court of India has taken suo motu notice and said, we will not spare anybody who has taken such steps. However, the official handle has already submitted from the NCERT that we are really sorry for that, and they have tendered the apologies. Even though the Supreme Court is not even satisfied, and that we will see it later. Now, what is to be done as far as the apology is concerned? First of all, we would like to know the names of all the committee members along with the authorities who are involved in deciding that this chapter should be taught to the students of class 8th of all the schools. Now the NCERT has further said that we have already withdrawn the books from the market. Upon this, the Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, said that however you have withdrawn the books, but it is in the PDF form also, which is available online. As far as in the market, a large number of circulation of the book has already been done. So if you at this stage you are withdrawing this, then it has no meaning and it does not survive any purpose as far as this case is concerned, and we will allow deep inquiry in this probe. Thank you. This is Advocate KK Singh from Krishna Legal India. Krishna Legal India is an organization working for the noble cause of justice within India.